What's up, y'all? What's up, YouTube? What's up, creatives? Yeah, so my name is Robbie Jones, and welcome to my channel. So, based on the video I uploaded yesterday, that is this video, one guy was like, I'm done with my work. I recorded and did everything necessary, but I can't upload to Google Drive. So apparently he's having a problem uploading, and like he doesn't know how to do it. That's what he said. He doesn't know how to upload to Google Drive. So today I'm here to teach you guys how to upload to Google Drive and send a link around as well. Okay, so open Google. I'm pretty sure you all know how to open Google. You don't know how to open Google? Seriously? Okay, so my search tab, you have to forget all the previous search, so forget them. Okay, so just type in Google Drive, just like so, and hit on enter. And hold up, I'm not a robot. How can I be a robot? Okay, so this is what you're going to get, the search results, and we have cloud storage for work and home, email to phone, blah blah blah, and we have Google Drive sign in. So I'm just going to click on the Google Drive sign in, just like so. And yes, based on your internet connectivity, how fast your internet is, it is going to open real quick. Okay, so when it's done like this, I have a lot of folders here that I've uploaded already. That is why I'm left with like roughly 5 gigabytes, but it's cool. So you click on the new sign here, and we have folder, file upload, and folder upload. So just click on the folder, and it's going to be like a new folder where you can type in the title of the folder. So I'm just going to type how do you call it, design process video, just like so. Then I'm going to hit on create. So after that, the folder is going to be created. Just double click on it, and you're going to have something like this. So after having the folder like so, you can now bring in the file that you created. So let me just bring my folder here so you guys can see. And this one. So yeah, this folder. So I'm just going to go through and just drag something in here real quick, and let me bring in a cocktail. So I'm just going to drag the cocktail image and bring it into my Google Chrome. And when you hover over the drop files here, or use the new button or whatever, just drop it in a circle, and when you look down here, it's going to upload like so. Wow, my internet is the fastest of all. Maintain that MTN I won't say anything. So after that, you're going to have the file in the folder, and when you look up here, we have like a design process video, and there's an arrow here. Click on the arrow. We have open with new folder, share, get link, blah 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 blah. Click on the get link, and it's going to load just for a few minutes. And yes, this is the get link pop-up. We have restricted here. Click on the arrow, and you're going to see anyone with a link, meaning you can share the link with any person, like anyone. Yes, you understand what I'm trying to say. So click on the anyone with a link, and it's going to update. It is done updating now. Then click on the copy link. So after copying the link like so, just click on done, and you're good to go. So now you have the link copied to your clipboard. So when you enter into your WhatsApp or your Instagram or wherever you want to send to the person, just right click and click on paste and send to the person. That is very simple to do. So yeah, if you participated in the challenge I posted yesterday and you want to send me the recorded process, you can just send it to me using the Google Drive. Okay, and for those who are having problems recording the process, just search Camtasia. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Camtasia, right? Camtasia, like this on Google. And no, I'm not a bloody rebel, fam. Oh, this. You say I'm a bloody rebel. So you're going to have Camtasia, and we have Camtasia screen recording and video editor free trial. You can just enter and download. This is very simple. Just get it and you're good to go. So guys, that'll be it for the video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment if you have any questions, and I'll make sure to see. And as you can see, I have a new mic. I got a new mic. It is gold. Yeah, guys. So that'll be it. Subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Sort of.